Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how many devices you can use on FloSports. First, FloSports let you log in many devices like iPhone, iPad or a computer. You can also use the same account on different phones. But here's the key point. Even though you can log in many devices, you can only watch streaming on a limited number of devices at once. That means you can watching live sports on one phone and your friend tries to watch something else using the same account at the same time. FloSports may stop one of the streamers. This is become the account limits how many streamers can play at once. Most FloSports subscriptions allow 2 devices streaming at the same time, but the number can change depending on the plan you bought. Some plans may allow 1 device at once, and some team or group plan may allow more than 2. You can log in many accounts like iPhone, tablet and computer, but only a few devices can play video at the same time. For you must plan that's 2 devices streaming at once. If someone tries to watch or third device while 2 are already streaming, the app might show an error or stop one streamer. If someone tries to watch, just stop the video on one device, then try again on the new device. To check your device limit, go to the account setting in your FloSports app or website. There you can see your plan details and how many streamers are allowed at once. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.